Welcome to the Emporix video guides. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the easiest ways to extend the management dashboard by adding custom modules. We know that your teams rely on a variety of tools and applications to work efficiently and deliver great customer experiences. That's why the Emporix management dashboard is designed to be flexible and extensible, so you can integrate your own functionality directly into the platform. Custom MD extensions and modules have been available for some time, but now we've made the process faster and more convenient than ever. To help you get started building your own module, we provide a ready-to-use MD module template, available on our GitHub. This template gives you a lightweight starting point based on modern technology, including React, Vite, and Module Federation. It's designed to accelerate development and reduce setup time. Simply follow the instructions in the README to get the template up and running. Then add the logic and features that match your specific needs before deploying it to your hosting environment. We've also increased flexibility when choosing a programming language. MD extensions now support both JavaScript and TypeScript. This gives you more freedom in your development approach and makes long-term maintenance easier for your team. Once your module is deployed and running, there are two ways to integrate it into the management dashboard. In both cases, you'll need the URL to your module's remote entry.js file. Method 1. The recommended, most convenient and flexible method is through administration modules. Navigate to administration modules to access the module manager. Here you can customize the navigation structure for the tenant by adding, reordering, or hiding modules. To add your custom module, use the Add Node option. Select the location where your new module should appear. Enter a display name for the module. In the Redirect to field, choose Custom Module and paste the URL to your remote entry.js file. Enter a package name. This can be any unique name for the tenant. If your module is placed at the root level, you can also assign an icon to represent it in the navigation. Click Apply to save the node settings. If needed, drag and drop it to adjust its position. Don't forget to save the navigation structure. The new module appears in the menu, and when selected, it loads your external application directly inside the management dashboard. Method 2. Alternatively, you can add your module through the Extensions area. Go to Administration Extensions and select Add Extension. Enter the name that will appear in the menu. Enable the module toggle. Paste the URL to the remote entry.js file and provide a package name. Save your changes. Your module is added instantly and appears under the Extensions section, where you can keep all your custom extensions at handy. By using these options, you can seamlessly integrate your custom tools into the management dashboard, making your workflows smoother and your teams more productive. We invite you to visit our documentation site for more information and more interesting features. You can also contact us using our contact channels. Thanks for watching.